Are you using pivot tables to do all your calculations? What if I tell you that could lead to inaccurate results? You don't believe me? Stick around and I'll explain that to you. Okay, let's look at the dataset here. We've got the daily sales, where this is sales value and the date. So now our task is to get the number of sales days within the range 0 to 500, 500 to 1000 and 1000 onwards. So what happens is, as soon as I put the pivot table, which is the shortcut for that is Alt P, and I add that into existing sheet. So now I'll drag on the sales to rows column, which will give me the unique values, but that's not what I want. I want the count. So I'll say let's group it by starting from 0 ending at 2000 with interval of 500. So that should give me good starting point. Now I'll go and drag sales into values. Now it is telling me there is only one value that is between 0 to 500, which is not correct. So as you can see here, there are two values. So now that's why I said pivot tables won't always give you the accurate results, because it ignores the upper value here, which is 500. So if it's 5499, it will pick up. See, but it will ignore the value. In order to fix this, we'll use a function called COUNTIFS. So we'll press COUNTIFS. As a first criteria, we'll select the range and we'll give a condition where it's greater than n. Now we use dynamic array functions to select it all. And the second criteria here will be sales again, and then we'll present equal to, greater than equal to, and the upper limit, so it gives me 2, which is the right number. As you can see, there are two cases where it's between 0 and 500. So as I mentioned earlier, pivot table may not give us all the accurate answers. We always double check.